Effective time management requires dedication and determination. Do not just say what you are going to do it. Do not just write what you are going to do it. Always remember that actions speak louder than words. Benjamin Franklin was correct when he stated, quote, "Well done is better than well said," unquote. The world is full of people who lack dedication and determination related to time management. That is the easy way out. The way to truly distinguish yourself from others related to time management is to follow through on what you plan to do, need to do, and say you will do. Dedication and determination will lead you to be productive, to be reliable, and to manage your time effectively. It is not difficult to be determined and dedicated related to time management. In fact, it is ordinary, plain, and mundane. That is why so many people are unable to do it. Ensure that you maintain responsibility and accountability to your own time management. Plan ahead, check and double check. Build in time for what you need to do, and develop mechanisms for remembering what you need to do and what you say you will do.